Alright, today I'm going to apply this Cerakote V136 ceramic piston coating. And get it prepped for the sandblasting. So we're going to start with that. And really, I'm just acetone, alcohol. Alcohol's a little bit easier on everything you use it with. I'm just using a soft wire brush to kind of get all the stuff out of the top. Right, so this one's good. I'm not going to do too much more on this piston right here. I'm mostly going to focus on that one. Alright, for my next step, I'm going to go ahead and put some masking tape on these pistons. Basically just to make a barrier so you don't get any of the abrasion from the sandblasting on the ringlands or anything below where you want it to be. So very straightforward. We go ahead and put this masking tape on here. Duct tape works too. Alright, so we got them both masked off. See, I left it down. So you don't want to get any abrasion inside of the, inside where the wrist pins goes or anything like that. So these are ready to be sandblasted. For sandblasting, they're recommended 100 to 120 grit aluminum oxide. I've used 70 grit before, it was fine. I have a very small amount of aluminum oxide, so hopefully it's enough. So here's what I have. This is 100 grit? Can't really remember. I think it's 100 or 120. I've had this for a long time, as you can tell, but this is aluminum oxide. This is what I'm going to use for the abrasive material to get the profile we need on these pistons so we can apply the coating and it'll adhere right. So I don't have very much. I really hope this is going to be enough. I would recommend buying like the big, they come in bigger bags. So. And you want to wear a mask when you use this stuff too, in a well-ventilated area. I mean, I really hope this is going to be enough. Might just be able to do one. nice finish on them. I made it work. It's been a while since I used a sandblaster, so I was just trying to get used to it. But yeah, that was enough to do both of those. So. All right, so now we have a good finish on both of these pistons. You can kind of tell the texture's changed. It's no longer glossy. It's more like a, I don't know, like very finely sanded, I guess. Same with this one. So now this is ready to be degreased, and then we're going to apply the actual coating itself. Man, that coat gets everywhere. Say, I don't know if I did say this earlier, but I'm gonna say it again. Definitely do that outside because that stuff gets everywhere, all over everything, including your clothes, including your camera, and I made a mess outside. At least it's outside. All right, so now that we're at this point, we want to make sure we do not get any, like I said again, oils, grease. We want to keep it off these pistons before we put them in the oven. Put that. Put the coating on. So what I'm going to do now, use some more acetone. I'm just going to wipe these down again. All right, next step, we apply the coating. We'll let these sit and air dry for a minute, and then I'm gonna put another coat on. And I think I'm gonna do 3 coats. 3 light coats. All right, now we're gonna let these air dry for 20 minutes. All right, so for the application process, after you're done sandblasting, you're gonna wanna get yourself one of these. It doesn't have to be specifically this one. This one was like, I think 15, maybe 20 bucks at Harbor Freight. Just a little high volume, low pressure spray gun, 4 ounce. Central pneumatic. I'm using a 0.6 nozzle, but this is what I've always used to do this. So make sure it stays clean too. All right, so we grabbed our pistons, we brought them inside, we let them air dry outside for about 20 minutes. I think I let them dry for like 25. It doesn't really matter. You just want to let them kind of air dry first, at least for 20 minutes. The next step, I got the oven at 175 preheating. We're gonna go ahead and cook the pistons for 20 minutes to off-gas the ceramic coat. You guys in there. And don't use any oven that you're going to be using for any type of food. So don't go in the kitchen, use your wife's oven. She's going to be very upset that she can't use it anymore because this thing, I mean, it's chemicals. Just get you a cheap toaster oven. Put these in there. Careful not to touch the top. You want to use gloves, you don't want to get oil on it. Set you a timer for 20 minutes. Hey Google, set a timer for 20 minutes. And we'll come back and check this one.
Set a timer for 20 minutes. It will go off at 1:01 p.m.
All right, at this point, we're gonna set our oven to 300 degrees, and we're gonna do that for 60 minutes. "60 minutes later at 300, they're done. One done. Two done. Let's see how our edge is. Clean edge. All right, well there y'all have it, a DIY ceramic coated piston. Not that hard. All you need is a couple tools, a little bit of time, and you can do this yourself at home. Thank y'all for tuning in. I have another video of the same process. I just wanted to make a quicker video, kind of make it easier to follow. Also, I will be doing more videos now, so kind of trying to get back into the YouTube thing. So I appreciate y'all watching and tuning in, and until next time.